kaka-science-based. I saw a young guy in the gym doing side lateral raises using ankle cuffs straps. As in, wala pa tong muscle as in beginners. Okay. Ang muscle growth or hypertrophy ay driven by mechanical tension, sapat na reps close to failure, and yung target muscle mo dapat ang nagfe-fail. So ayon sa studies on grip limitation at assistance tools kagaya ng paggamit ng straps, kapag ang limiting factor mo ay hindi yung target muscle, halimbawa yung grip mo or yung forearms mo, bumababa ang effective stimulus sa muscle na gusto mong palakihin. Sa paggamit ng straps, hindi binabawasan ang muscle activation. Inaalaw ka mag-train close to true delt failure and mas consistent ang tension per rep. So ang tawag doon is stimulus optimization, hindi cheating. For beginners, pwede naman gumamit ng straps para matutunan ang tamang movement pattern and para ma-feel mo agad ang medial delts, and syempre, iwas elbow at wrist strain din yan, and para mas ma-develop mo rin yung mind-to-muscle connection. Pero ang important rule dyan is hindi yan excuse para mag-skip ka ng fundamentals. Wala namang problema sa paggamit ng straps, joint friendly yan, hypertrophy focused pa rin yan, beginner ka man or advanced, pwede, basta tama ang intent. Muscle growth is about stimulus quality, hindi yan palakasan ng hand or grip strength.